Yes guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel and to today's video, which I am gassed about. As you can see by the title, in today's video, we're going to be unboxing a few different pieces from the brand Illicit Bloc. We'll talk a little bit about each piece, but also make sure you watch the video the whole way through because I'm going to be showing you guys multiple different ways that I'm going to be styling each individual piece. I've kind of been hinting about this video over on my Instagram, and to say that you guys are excited about this one or excited about this brand is an understatement. So before we get into the video, pause this right now, go down below and absolutely smash that thumbs up button. Let's try and hit 130 likes. So smash that thumbs up button, and if you are new to the channel from this video, be sure to hit subscribe as well for more men's fashion content every single week. All right, so let's get this unboxing started. So first off, this is how the actual package comes. I'm trying to be careful, I've got my address on the side here, but this is how the package comes. It comes in this super clean and minimal box with obviously the clean Illicit Bloc branding on the front. You can't do an unboxing without a beastie knife. So let's cut this open on the bottom. Right, here we go. So it comes in this super clean and minimal box. Okay, yeah, that's actually so sick. You can tell that the brand puts like so much emphasis and effort into the packaging because this is so clean. So you've got your standard, oh, it's actually personalized. So you've got your standard kind of like thank you card in there. And obviously, as you can see, they've written my name and stuff on the top. Super sick. So each product is individually packaged in this kind of like, it's kind of like a paper type packaging, but it looks so clean, and it's got the minimal branding on the front here. And like I said before, you can definitely tell that the brand has kind of gone that extra mile with their packaging, and it definitely gives you more of a kind of luxury high-end feel when receiving and unboxing your product. So let's kind of rip this open and see what we have inside. So this is the first product, and hang on, let me just put this down. So this is the first item, and as you can see, this is their jacket. Hang on, let me put this onto a hanger just so you guys can see it properly. So yeah, this is the Illicit Bloc Oyster White running jacket, and as you can see guys, initial thoughts, this looks so sick. Just look at the details of this jacket. It looks so clean. Like, I love how detailed they go with like the stitching and like the paneling, and then on the back, yes, look at the back, the detailing of like the paneling on the back of this with like the excess fabric here. It looks so good. So let's go through some of the actual details of the jacket. So in terms of the actual fabric, it is a luxury ribbed cotton at 270 GSM. So in all honesty, it's the perfect jacket for this kind of weather because it's not too like heavyweight. So perfect for the spring summer season. It's actually been pigment dyed, which gives it this kind of like beautiful, almost vintage style look. And it's in this kind of like, well, they call it oyster white, and it's kind of like an off-white slash slightly beigey, greeny colorway. But it looks so good. And then in terms of the actual fit, the website describes it as relaxed, boxy, and slightly cropped, which I don't know about you, but my opinion, those three things have to equal the perfect fitting jacket, in my opinion. And then as always, for reference, I went with a size large and I'm 5'11". So initial thoughts on the jacket. Firstly, like we've already said, the packaging is insane. It definitely kind of gives off that more high-end feel when you're like initially receiving your product. Then in terms of the actual garment itself, you can see how much work and kind of like sampling has gone into this to perfect the actual product. You know, everything from the actual type of fabric, like the pigment dye finish, the fit of the product. Initial thoughts, very impressed. Let's take a look at what I have next. So like I said, every product comes separately packaged in this super clean and minimal packaging with the minimal branding on front. So let's have a look and see what it's saying. All right guys, so next, as you can see, we have the matching joggers to the jacket, and just straight away, like as soon as you feel the actual product, you can see and will feel how good the actual quality is and how much work has actually been put into perfecting each piece. And that's so important for like new brands, because there's so like, you know, there's new brands coming out every single day. So for a brand to stand out, they have to do something different, and they have to, the quality has to be there, and you can see the work that's gone into these. So impressed. Again, the same as the jacket, the little details on this is what helps it stand out from every other pair of joggers out there. Like everything from the quality, obviously the quality of the fabric, you know, the stitching, and then just like the individuality of the actual paneling. I'm not sure if the camera picks it up here, but like the paneling on the back of the legs, little things like that is what helps these new independent brands stand out from the rest. Let me just put these on the hanger so you can kind of see them better. But same as the jacket in terms of the actual fabric, it's made from the exact same fabric, the luxury ribbed cotton, and it's also gone through the exact same process in terms of pigment dye as the jacket. So like the colors and things like that are an exact match. You can wear it as a tracksuit. So little details, we have the elasticated waistband, we have the elasticated cuff, and then obviously you guys are going to see the B-roll overlaid over this, so you'll see what they actually look like in terms of on body. I haven't tried these on yet, I've literally just unboxed them for you guys. But from what I've seen on pictures on their socials and stuff like that, the fit of these in terms of the leg is slightly cropped, which is the exact fit I look for in a pair of joggers. It kind of helps like prevent heavy stacking at the bottom of your leg by your ankle. So in terms of the actual fit, from what I've seen, perfect. And then with these, I went with a size medium, and I'm normally a 31 to 32 inch waist. I'm not even joking, guys. When I do these videos where I hold the product up here on like a hanger, my shoulder wrecks, like it's killing. I don't know if you can see that it's shaking. I'm trying to stop it from shaking, but it is killing. I need to get back in the gym, so I'm gonna put that down there for a minute. Oh my god, that is killing. But yeah, I've done a little bit of research, and all the products from Illicit Bloc are designed and made here in the UK, and the designs were inspired by pre-race tracksuits that athletes wore in the 1970s, which is super sick. I definitely recommend that you guys go and check out their Instagram. Everything's going to be linked in the description down below, the website, the Instagram, all that kind of stuff. Overall, these guys absolutely killed it. The packaging's insane, the product design's insane, the product finish is insane. Very, very impressed. What I love about these, yeah, as you can see, it's obviously a tracksuit, but what I'm really looking forward to doing is kind of styling these as their own individual pieces, if that makes sense. So that is what I'm going to do next. I'm going to show you guys 5 different ways that I'm going to be styling these pieces. So once you've seen all 5 outfits, definitely let me know in the comment section down below which out of the 5 is your personal favorite. Let's take a look.
Walking on fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over. We could start over. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of.
And there we have it, guys. That is the unboxing and styling of the Illicit Bloc tracksuit. Definitely let me know, firstly, what you think of the actual tracksuit, and also which out of those 5 outfits was your personal favorite. Let me know in the comment section down below. The links to everything from today's video will, as always, be linked in the description down below. Also, once you finish this video, I'd really appreciate it if you hop on over to my Instagram and give me a follow over there. I've been putting a lot of effort into my content, and it kind of gives you guys the opportunity to get a more in-depth look into my life, and kind of gives you the chance to see some behind the scenes content of the videos and just what I'm up to on a daily basis in general. But that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give it a big thumbs up, hit subscribe if you're new, drop a comment down below, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It's basically a daily vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.